Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. Friends, this is a series of short videos I am making, video clips, in which I am going to show different postures, different yoga postures, how to do them. Especially for beginners or even for people who are already practicing yoga. Many people are not able to do certain postures, so I am showing them on the mat and also the variations of that posture. If you are not able to do on the mat like headstand and shoulder stand, how to do with the support of wall also I am showing in this video. Okay, so let's see. Headstand or Sirsasana also is not possible for a beginner to do directly on the mat. So initially you can take the support of wall and do it very easily, and as I told many times, the effects are same because we are bringing all the blood from the lower part to the head and upper body. So the benefits are same even if you take the support of wall. So when you are confident enough, you can just move away from the wall slowly, little by little you can move away from the wall and you can do without any support. Okay, so first we'll do with the support of wall. Just fold your mat so that your head gets some cushion. Okay, fold your mat here. Elbows down, interlock your fingers, elbows on the mat, and bring the center of the head. This is very important. If it is somewhere here in the front or back, then you may skip or slide down. So just bring the exact center, the crown of the head to the mat. Okay. So when you want to lift your body, you need to press your elbows down and bring all the weight to your elbows. Okay, that's the trick, or that's the technique to do the headstand. Okay, and center of the head on the mat. Now lift your knees, walk your feet towards your head. As you start walking towards your head, you can feel at one point as you give pressure or as you shift your weight to the elbows, you can feel that you can lift your legs. Lift your knees, walk towards your knees. And now lift here, bend your knees, hold here. First make yourself sure that you are balanced. And now you can stretch one leg and other one. As I told you, can take the support of wall, you can touch your feet or heels on the wall, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend the knees and slowly come down. Okay, this way you can do. As I told, when you are okay to initially with the support of wall, you can just move away from the wall. Little by little you can just move away from the wall. And hold here. Again, same way, center of the head or crown of the head on the mat. Interlock your fingers, elbows down, push your elbows down. Bring your weight to the elbows, lift your knees, walk towards your head, bend knees, hold here, balance yourselves, and stretch one leg and other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also, when you can balance, you can just open your legs or do cycling or whatever you can do. So hold here. You can hold for a long time, longer than 10 seconds or 20, 30, it's very good. Bend knees and slowly come down.